What is the appraiser looking for during his inspection? First and foremost, understand that the appraiser is there on behalf of the lender. They do not work for the seller, the buyer, or the real estate agent. They are there to make sure that the lender is not overextending on the loan, period. They are there to verify the size of the home. They'll take notes of what kind of amenities you have. Amenities such as flooring, countertops, cabinets, landscaping, parking, etc. They'll take notes as to the condition of the home. They'll note the location of the home. Does it back to a busy street, a park, apartment buildings, power lines, commercial? They'll take notes of any safety issues that they find at the property, and they'll provide photos to the lender to verify the information they put in the report. These are a few of the many things that the appraiser is looking for during the appraisal inspection. For more tips like this, subscribe and hit the like button below.